How to enable sleep mode on Facebook app on your iPhone. It's very easy. First of all, open your Facebook, make sure that you're logged into your account. Then from here, tap on the menu bar right here. Then from here, if you scroll down a bit, you can see settings and privacy, tap on it, then tap on settings. So after doing that, if you scroll down a bit, you'll get the option of time management right here, tap on it. Then in here, you can see the option of sleep mode. Tap on this option, and then from here, tap on this toggle button and turn it on. After doing that, you'll need to now schedule your sleeping time. So in here, you can see this is the starting time. I'm going to go with 10 p.m. just like this, and this is the ending time. Simply tap on it. Then I'm going to go with 6 a.m. just like this. I have done that. Now, after setting your time schedule, you'll need to now set your day schedule. So in here, we have all of the days in here. I'm going to go with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So after selecting your timing and days, all you need to do is tap on save. And just like that, here you can see we have successfully enabled our sleep mode on Facebook. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.